Hello friends, today we are going to discuss regarding the lithium aluminum hydride reactions. So these type of reactions in which if you add lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether solvent and hydronium ion is added, then what what will the product. Okay, so before 1 and 2 lecture we also discussed the function of lithium aluminum hydride, means where it will be react and where it will not react, and also compare this reagent from sodium borohydride. Okay, so in this we only describes the reactions of lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so the react if you see here, this is the lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, and ether is the solvent. There is no only role of solvent to give medium for reactions. Okay, and reagent converted this to product. Okay, and hydronium is also added, and hydro we also in earlier video we also describe, suppose that this one is your starting material here, and if you add lithium aluminum hydride LAH. Okay, LAH in and hydro in ether, and hydronium ion is given here. Okay, so it converts to RCOH, this hydride and this. So we also describe here that this hydride comes from where? From lithium aluminum hydride, and this hydrogen comes from this hydronium ion. Okay, so we also fully explain this. So we only do the reactions which is mentioned here. Okay, so if this moiety is, if you react from lithium aluminum hydride, this is the substituted aldehyde, means RCHO. R may be methyl, ethyl. Okay, or any other moiety, so it converts to RCH2OH, same as it is. It also convert to COH R dash. Okay, so in your mind it comes that its structure is, your product is correct or not. So if you see here, it converts ketone to alcoholic group. Okay, then you check the valency of carbon. So there is one less, 4 carbon having 4 valency, so you can fill up by hydrogen. So this will be the correct answer. RCOH, it is also converted to RCH2OH. Okay, R ester RCH2OH plus ROH. Understand? This is RCOCl, so it is also converted to RCH2H. Okay, this one, this convert to RCHOH CS3. Okay, here if you take CN, so CN, if give temperature -55 in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, this is the condition which is similar in all. Okay, so that's why we did not mention this condition. Okay, so here if you see here, this is the nitrile, so it converts to RCS2, sorry, okay, when temperature is given -55 is less temperature, so it converts to this aldehyde RCHO, and if you give this room temperature, then it converts to RCH2NH2. Okay, similarly this is the azide means azide, which if you provide this condition is given here, then it convert to RNH2. Understand? Similarly, if you see this RNO2, it is also converted to NH2. So there is a trick. If starting material containing nitrogen, then most probably it is converted to amine. If nitrogen containing starting material, then convert to amine. Okay, but some are exception, we will describe below. Okay, so ArNO2, it will converted to RAR. It is the example here. It converts to diazodine. Okay, RNCO, it is also converted to RNH2. Okay, it is converted to lactal. Understand? RCONS2, it's convert to RCS2NS2. It's behave it where why it not converted to RCHOH. Okay, in case amide case it converts to CS2. Okay, CS, this is the halide also converted to CS3 CS2. It takes one hydride because valency is 1, hydride having valency 1, so means CS3 CS3. Okay, this one similarly we also explained this earlier. Okay, like that. And if you see in this case, sorry, it converts to NS2. In there is a difference. If there is aromatic ring, then it's convert to diazo. Okay, but if it had aliphatic moiety, then it converts to NS2. It also converts to C6H5 CS2 NS2. Okay, like that. It also convert to CS3 CS2 NS2. Okay, so these are the some example we have described here. And one example we also want to explain here. This one, sorry, this is CHO. Similarly, it is called cinemaldehyde. Okay, it is called cinemaldehyde, same as it is. This is the CH. So two compounds here, but it shows different reactivity towards lithium aluminum hydride. When you take this CHO, okay, then it converts to, if you see here, this is the aromatic ring and it is conjugated system with this double bond is in conjugation. Okay, so it also reduced here RCS2 CS2 OH. Similarly, if you see in this case, means if you take this example here, okay, we will write here CS3 CS2, sorry, CS2 not CS2, this is double bond here, this is protanaldehyde. Okay, so in this case there is no aromatic ring. Okay, so there is no aromatic ring. This is aliphatic ring, aliphatic, and no conjugation. Okay, so that's why it converts to CS3. In this, double bond will not reduce here, only aldehyde will be reduced here. Okay, so it is your product. So it is the some reactions regarding lithium aluminum hydride, in which if you see here, two or three reactions very important. This one, okay, and if you see here, this one and this one. Okay, and it is also important reaction, lactone. And okay, so it is a similar reactions we mentioned below. Okay, so that's why it is some important reactions of lithium aluminum hydride. So again if one reaction is also amide RC, this one. So these are some important reactions regarding lithium aluminum hydride. So please carefully read it, and not read it, please understand. Okay, why happened this. Okay, like that. So your concept will be your concept will be more strong. Okay, so thank you for this. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And that's why we can upload more video regarding other reagent chemistry, and which may be useful for you. Okay, so thank you friends.